Welcome friends, welcome again in this channel. In this video I am going to tell you some tips about WhatsApp. I am getting more questions about one thing I am going to explain in this video, that if anyone is sending messages in WhatsApp but that messages is not getting delivered. So this type of screen is showing here. Just go this, see, the messages are not getting delivered, only a clock or some sign is coming. So in that case, what you need to do if you are facing the similar type of problem, one more issues I am just getting messages that by mistake the if anything is shared in the status, it is visible to all. So I am going to tell you one method by which you can share your status with the contacts you want to share your secrets or status. Except that if by mistake if you share any status, then it will not go to all your contacts or the selected contacts. It will go only to the only to the contacts you want to share, or it will go to no contacts. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. If you like the video, just go to the WhatsApp and see if you are sending any message hi, it is not getting delivered. In that case, what you need to check, just go to the setting, and here in setting just go to the apps. Here in apps, search for WhatsApp or scroll down to WhatsApp, anything depending upon what is your mobile, Samsung or MI or Xiaomi or Realme, anything. Just go to app, manage, in some cases manage apps, and then here WhatsApp will come. In WhatsApp, just see, first force stop it. Okay, nothing will happen. Then go to the storage. Here data is 325 MB, but cache is 20. Clear cache only, not data. Okay, clear cache. And then go to the mobile data again. Here in my this Android 12, this only two options are coming. In your case, if mobile data and Wi-Fi is there, then please select it, and after that come outside, go back, and then again go to the setting and see one more thing. See mobile data is on or not. Just turn it on, or Wi-Fi is on, and now send it. Now go to the WhatsApp again, and now see all messages are now double tick is coming. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to tell you. And second is about status. Friends, I think all of you should well aware how to put any status in WhatsApp. If you are not knowing, go to the updates here, and from here you can add status. If you are tapping here, it will go to the camera or gallery, and from here you can add status. So if you are adding status, then here three dots are coming. Just tap here, and here status privacy is there. If you are choosing my contacts, then every time when you put a status, it will be shared to all of your contacts. But you do not want to share, if you do not want to share the status with all of your contacts, just only share with, and add the contacts from your this address book. But what I will suggest, that if by mistake if any wrong thing is coming on your status and you do not want a situation like this, in that case select the second one, and then select all your contacts. Okay, and then go back, and then save it and then go back. So in this case, what will happen if by mistake we have shared status with shared the status, it will not go to the anybody. Okay, then when you realize that you have made a mistake, then just correct it. So this is what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like the channel, like this video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.